Alrighty, back with some exam 4. Question number 6. Given that y is inversely proportional to the square of x, and that when y equals 7, x equals 12, determine the value of y when x equals 8. So this is going to be our inversely proportional formula, as obviously this is inverse, and the k is our constant, and obviously we're going to be solving for y eventually. But first, we want to find out what our constant is. So we can solve that using these two given values. So y, in this case 7, equals the square of x. So it's going to be 12 squared on the bottom, and then k over top. So that's going to be 149 is y squared. So we're going to go ahead and try to isolate this constant by removing the bottom denominator by times by 149 on both sides. So that goes ahead and give us the constant of 108 is our constant. So we can actually go ahead and plug this back in. So we're looking for y when x equals 8. So why don't we plug in our known values and solve for there? So we're looking for y equals 1008 over, remember, the square, inverse to the square, so it's going to be 8 squared on the bottom, right? So we're going to go ahead and now solve for this. So what's 8 squared? It's going to be 64. So let's go ahead and plug that in first. So y equals 108 over 64. Now we can go ahead and reduce this fraction a little bit. So let's go ahead and do it by 4. Do this the hard way because I don't know that off the top of my head. If we can do this by 4, 2, 8, 25. Oh, and we sure can. Gotcha. So that gives us 252, and 64 divided by 4, 124. It's going to be 16. So 252 over 16. We can continue to simplify this if we see fit, and I sure will. So we're going to go ahead and do it by, let's try 4 again. Let's see. So 252 divided by 4. So let's try 6 minus 24. Oh, there we go. 12. Boom. 63. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. So that's going to be our final answer. So that'll be rewritten as y equals 63 over 4. And that's value of y when x equals 8. Sweet. Actually, important to note, remember, inversely proportional, this is the equation you'll use looking for your constant and plugging those values back in. That's sweet. That's it.